Today, farming relies on plant breeding, machinery developments, and plant behaviour research to get increases in production and higher yields. With the advent of precision farming, including accurate soil mapping, variable rate fertiliser spreading, and remote sensing of crop growth, there is a strong requirement to precisely monitor changes in crops throughout the day and complete life cycle. This information can be fed into algorithms of the mapping data to mitigate against daily climatic and growth cycle variations. Evapotranspiration is the sum of evaporation and plant transpiration from the Earth's land and ocean surface to the atmosphere. Evaporation accounts for the movement of water to the air from sources such as the soil, canopy interception, and water bodies. Transpiration accounts for the movement of water within a plant and the subsequent loss of water as vapour through stomata in its leaves. Evapotranspiration is an important part of the water cycle. Methods of research into plant behaviour have made huge strides forwards in recent years, and now there is a new piece of research equipment to make the monitoring of water uptake in plants much easier, a new lysimeter, a weighing lysimeter. The Griffith Elder weighing lysimeter takes readings as often as the researcher wishes. Regular readings of weight, air temperature, and air humidity have a pattern of plant behaviour that produces graphs and research data that can be used to deliver a better understanding of the crop being analysed. The weighing lysimeter seen here is a small unit for use with up to 250 kilograms of soil and plant. However, Griffith Elder also make much larger weighing lysimeters, which can be buried in a field for use as part of a growing crop. The data from the weighing lysimeter is stored in a local database but can also be transmitted in real time by Wi-Fi and 3G for remote analysis. Crop water use is important in irrigation scheduling, choice of varieties, and optimizing crop production. The weighing lysimeter gives the researcher an accurate and efficient method of collecting data whilst allowing the researcher to view and work with the information in the comfort of an office. The Griffith Elder weighing lysimeter is a must-have instrument for modern research into plant growth and behaviour. Griffith Elder, your partner in agricultural research.